Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing a little unboxing from Chanel. I'm very excited. This is sort of like a birthday gift to myself. I did purchase and unbox this reissue bag, which was officially my birthday gift. And I'll link to the video if you want to watch that. But this is like yeah, I guess it's just a little birthday bonus. And when I saw they had it in store, I love the color and I couldn't say no. So I'm gonna go ahead and unbox this. So it has the little ribbon here. And packaging in Chanel is so beautiful. So here is the box with the camellia. I almost don't want to take this off, but it's so pretty. Just gonna stick that there. And oh, they definitely double knotted this, so. Okay, here we go. So this is my first, obviously you can tell it's a small box. It's my first ever SLG from Chanel. And it comes in this gorgeous little black dust bag. And here is the little booklet with care information. And here it is. This is Iridescent Caviar in light gold hardware. It looks beigey but also gold, and I think it's just a beautiful neutral. I'm so excited about this. So I recently did a review on my Saint Laurent card case, which actually I have it handy, which is right here. So I'll link to the review about this one, but they're just so different. And I really had been wanting a classic Chanel card case for a really long time, and I think this is just perfect for me. And I like that both card cases are very different in style, but I love this one. I think she's just so gorgeous. So there's two card slots here, one here, and then like a bigger pocket here, which you could put cards or cash, folded up cash in. And so here's all the information. Here's the authenticity card. And just, oh, and this is the O card holder in gold metal. So there. Yeah, I'm totally thrilled about this purchase, and I'm super excited. So there it is. Thanks for watching.